Hey girls, I'm Rickiann and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be installing this gorgeous hair. So this wig is from my wig business, Lorde Extensions. So definitely go support your girl. Like, do you see the quality? Do you see the quality? All right, what I'm talking. So please don't be too hard on your girl in this wig install because this is my second time. Hear me? Second time installing a frontal. Okay, girls have a lot of experience. As much as I own my own big business, I'm a closure girl. Me stick to the devil, I know. I'm a closure girl, but I think I ate down on this wig install. I ain't gonna lie to you, girl. And this is gonna be my wig for the summer. This is gonna be my wig for the summer. So make sure you grab one of these water wave wigs, okay? Water wave. And they say Burmese look like water wave, yeah? Maybe. I would say Burmese look more like deep curly than water wave, but I understand what you guys are. So get into the install, and the link for my website will be down in the descriptions. As I said, support your girl. Like, money gonna be well spent with me, honey. Money gonna be well spent with me. Right? I'm just in love with the ear. Like, what kind of evil lights on? Like, do you see this big? Like, the density is 210% density. Hannah Bob. Anna Bob. Eat down like the puff of your ear. Okay. So enjoy the rest of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, okay? Because I'm going to show you some of these juicy wigs that I got. Alright, so I love y'all. Since this was my first time trying the ball cap method, I did it off screen just in case I did it well. This is me just showing you the structure of the wig. Then placing foundation on the ball cap to finish that process. Then placing the wig on my head and seeing how it fits. Then I push the frontal piece back so I could start applying the lace spray adhesive. So I just place that around the perimeter of my hairline and let it dry. I put 2 coats of it. I did not show the second coat, but I did put 2 coats, and then place the lace on it.
Surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby girl, eyes on me.
Then after I started cutting the lace off my ear, cutting the ear tabs off, I was scared of the scissors, so I started to use my eyebrow razor to make it a bit easier for me to cut without chopping my ears off. And then I rubbed that down into the sides, and then I did the second ear tabs. So I started cutting with the scissors and then finish off around where I couldn't really see with my eyebrow razors.
Maria, 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 every time you're looking out for me, every time you're looking out for me, love you, yeah, love. Everything go from Maria.
Then placing elastic band around the hairline to melt the lace.
Every time we meet up, every time be like Maria, Maria. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me, come on, look up for me. Every time you look up for me. She no island girl.
Going in with my heat protectant spray that I double as a hair oil. I started putting that in my hair, especially in the front where I'll be using my iron to flatten the front because it's a bit high for me. So just saturating the hair with that. making sure that it is well oiled.
She from Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, no, she no island girl.
Then I'm going in with my spray bottle mixed with water and Zimmy curling gel. That helps to define the curls even better and holds them.
She from Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro.
Then using my detangling brush to brush through to help define the curls. And using it to kind of separate them so I can spray to get everything saturated.
My little baby come rise with me. My little baby come rise with me. Maria, Maria. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, everything go from Maria.
Then going with my wax stick, I'm going to use that around the front of my hair to start ironing to flatten the top. And then, yes, unconventional, I'm going to start using the iron. It's unconventional for now. However, back in the day, the real auntie them know. So we used to use clothing iron in our hair to flatten it down. So that's what I'm doing because I have not gotten a good flat iron, well, a flat comb in a hot minute. I bought 2 of them and they were complete foolishness. So I just went back to the good old days and grabbed my clothing iron and flattened the hair.
Pretty girl like a Maria. Every time we meet up, every time they lie, Maria. Now you want to spend more time with me. Do you want to be my wife, baby? I just want you in my life, baby. I like you. Everything go from Maria. Sensibility, pretty girl like a Maria. Every time we meet up, every time we lie, Maria.
Then removing the elastic band from around the perimeter of my hair and using my tail comb to comb it out to loosen up the adhesive spray that I did put over before I placed the band on. After sectioning off the front, I'm going to use my eyebrow razor to cut the remaining lace off the front. And as you see, I am using the eyebrow razor. I'm like pressing it down and then just pulling the tap towards the blade of the razor. And that's how I took it up easily without having to really pull anything. Yeah, that would make it very much easier for me. And I was doing all the sections and making sure everything is done correctly right across the top. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and section off my baby hairs. I'm just going to do 4 pieces to above my eyebrow arches and for the sideburns. That's all I'm doing. I'm not a baby hair fan, but I'm going to try today. So I'm just going to cut those down. And then after cutting it, I'm going to use my mousse to, style them in a way that I like, kinda. But yeah, that's the best that I can do this time. As I said, this is my second time. I'm not a baby hair person, but So after styling the baby hairs, I'm gonna go in again with my elastic band to set those in place. We are approaching the end. And then I'm gonna trim the hair a little bit around my face to make sure that it falls a little bit better and not. Since I do not have any diffuser, I'm gonna use my hands and my hair dryer to dry the curls in the way that I want them to be dried. Because I wanted them a little bit more fluffier than just having them, you know, just like on the left side as you're seeing, or right side. So I'm just gonna use the blow dryer to dry them a bit. And after drying the hair, I'm going to be removing the elastic band, and we are almost finished. So I'm going to use my comb to brush out the baby hair so they don't look as crunchy. You know, make them have a look natural, you know, vom vom going on. Really liked how it came out this time. I will have to work on my plucking. Example, I love when my hair is plucked to the gods. So I didn't pluck it all the way to my liking, but I'm going to pluck it real nice next time. And you guys will see. This is my hair install video for today, featuring Lorde Extensions. I hope that you like this video and the hair. And if you're interested in purchasing the hair, the link will be down below. That takes you directly to my Shopify store so you can purchase. If you're in the US or anywhere else in the world, really, except for Jamaica, we can get it same day. However, if you're overseas, it takes 5 to 8 business days, usually like 5 business days to get to you. Pretty quick shipping. So yes, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye.